Yes, anyone can learn and enjoy acrylic pouring. You don't even have to be artistically inclined. The neat thing about fluid art is that even though you get to make lots of choices about colors and how you apply the paint does a lot of the work by itself in creating cool effects. It's a ton of fun and you can get started painting today by watching one of these 2 videos here. Hey guys, I'm Anna and this is Acrylic Pouring Academy. Quick answers to all of your fluid art questions. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button for tons more bite-sized lessons. Thanks for watching, God bless, and go make some art.